Hello, my name is Kay. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. I hope everyone is enjoying their summer so far. And speaking of summer, I want to show you one of my favorite go-to summer recipes. It is great for cookouts. It has a nice smoky flavor with a little spice. Well, let's list ingredients. Let's get started. First veggie, we have a green bell pepper. Let's grab a knife. Let's chop it up. Make sure that you remove the inside, which has the seeds. I have a chopping tool here. I'm going to use that today to really get these peppers nice and dicey. So just pop the peppers in there, put this top back on, like so. Twist it on. Okay, let's try it. Take off the lid and see how it does that. See how nice and diced the peppers are? Perfect. Now while I am doing the veggies, I'm also boiling a pot of spaghetti noodles at this time, so everything will be ready pretty much around the same time to add all the ingredients together. So next thing, we are going to use a yellow onion. Peel that onion and then chop it up. I'm going to again use my dicing tool to chop the onions. Gonna place onion in there, put the top on, same process, and chop. As you can see, we have our veggies chopped. Now let's head over to the stovetop and check on our ground beef. Ground beef looks great and it's ready. So let's add the veggies. Add the onion and let's add the green bell pepper. Now, let's add some garlic. Let's stir everything together. And we're going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the veggies are softened. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, it smells so delicious. Next up, we're going to add some barbecue sauce. I'm going to add Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Gonna add roughly about 4 cups of Sweet Baby Ray's. Okay, make sure that heat is turned down low. Mix all the ingredients together. Okay, I want my barbecue to have a little kick, so I'm gonna add a couple dashes of hot sauce. Remember those noodles that I said that I was boiling earlier? While we were chopping the veggies, okay, we are going to add the noodles at this time. Mix it all together. Enjoy. Take a look. This is strictly optional, but on top of the spaghetti, as you can see, I put some daisy sour cream on top, and I sprinkled it with tahini seasoning. All right, let's try it. Oh, that's good. You can really taste the smoky flavor from the barbecue, and then the tahini just adds a little extra spice to it as well. Well, there you have it. I hope this recipe was very helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, and you haven't done it already, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below as usual, and I'll see you next time. All right, cooking and kisses.